Good afternoon, MyBlindCo users. This is Audra with MyBlindCo, and this video is about how to send Alta orders directly into Direct Connect. We're calling it the Alta EDI. And by the way, we're rolling out product by product. So there's a handful of products that aren't ready yet, but there's a handful that are. So first steps to submitting orders directly from MyBlindCo into Alta is we have to visit the portal version. We go to My Business, Manufacturer. We find Alta here, and we got to make sure your company name is populated, and also, most importantly, your account number is accurately indicated here. And then we toggle this button on. Make sure it says Enable Sending PO via EDI. And so if you guys are also emailing your orders to customer service, say for the products that are not ready yet with EDI, then the other piece of information you're going to want to make sure is entered is this one here, the one to customer service at Custom Brands Group, and so on. Make sure that's populated. And if you want the email to have any kind of content like please place the order, you'd enter that here. All right, so let's save this, and then we're done here on the portal, but this page needs to be set up. So I'm going to swing over here to my iPad, and let's take this top one in the list here. As long as the status of the order is deposit received, when I open it up, this generate PO button will be enabled. So it might look like this initially, but then you just toggle it on. And there's that generate PO. I'm going to click that button, and this will generate a PO per manufacturer within your order. So if it's broken out into Alta EDI, as you can see here in the list, it's created two POs, one for Alta EDI and one for the non-enabled EDI. So again, EDI enabled, we have faux blinds, faux wood basics, honeycombs, dual shades, wood blinds, window shades, roller shades, and we're working on the others. So I've generated my PO. So I'm going to come down here to the PO tab. You can see both POs are in the PO list. So we just go to the three lines and hit send PO. So, and there you go. You get a message that it was already sent. So the next one here, the non-EDI ones, you can just hit download an email, and it's going to bring an email that you can send to customer service. Attached is the PO, and then you hit send. Customer service receives the email and will enter in your order into Direct Connect manually. All right, guys, that's a quick video on how to submit orders to Alta via EDI. Thanks so much.